My name is Vasuda Malgi. I'm a senior lecturer at the Anton de Kom University of Suriname, and I'm also a team member of CambioNet Suriname. We are working on the communication part between farmers and extension officers, and mainly in the district Saramaka, in the Pomona area. What we have there is we developed our arranged living lab, which is mainly focused on technical tools or more the information on how to use biopesticides, IPM, just to help farmers to control the main challenges they have. Some of the activities we are doing right now are protected agriculture, is in the greenhouse, IPM, integrated pest management techniques, and also post-harvest and agro-processing techniques. We also did a survey on the farmers in Pomona, and one of the results was that the farmers told us that they have some trust issues because extension officers are supposed to help the farmers. They do that practically, but what we seen mostly is that they still have some trust issues when extension officers arrive at the plot to help them with their agricultural activities. Suriname works together with French Guiana because we are on the same territory, the Guiana Shield. The main focus on Suriname is mostly on the bioecological transition, and that's why we focus on IPM techniques and biofertilizers.
In French Guiana, we also work on the agroecological transition, but from a different point of view. We focus mostly on the farming system design. And we are trying to work with extension officers, with farmers and researchers, because we have a very dual agriculture with small-scale farming and very conventional farming, and we are trying together to find a middle way, a way to farm without chemicals and with more sustainable practices. So interacting with Suriname is, from this point of view, extremely important.
I'm Mayuri Jagan and I am part of the CambioNet team Suriname, and I work on the processing of agro products, and I want to introduce this in the Pomona area among the farmers and the farmers community, especially the women in Pomona. Recent years we suffered a lot of loss due to lack of post-harvesting techniques, and also the effect of seasonal issues where we had surplus of products or even had a lack of products. The CambioNet Suriname wants to work on the post-harvest part, where we want to introduce processing of vegetables to freezed or frozen vegetables. We also want to help farmers make processing products such as tomato puree, jams, cream cheeses, and also maybe teas and spices by using the drying techniques. That's what we are working on, of what we have been working on the recent months. So we did workshops and demonstrations for the Pomona farmers and other stakeholders, and also our students, to make them familiarized with these techniques of processing and post-harvest.
We are at the University Greenhouse, and here we do research on vermicompost, on biological pesticides, on crops like cauliflower and broccoli, and we do the experiment and then invite the farmers to have a look how it can be done. We have choose crops, broccoli and cauliflower, because we mostly import those crops and we would like to reduce the import. Students, extension officers, other stakeholders all have been invited here to have a look at how the broccoli has been grown without synthetic fertilizer and chemical use. My father has started doing farming from years ago, from the beginning, but from 2010 we started the farm, the Little Big Organic Garden, and together with him, his six daughter has started farming vegetable, all in an organic way. In our farm, we mostly use the organic matter like cow dung and chicken manure, and also our vegetables are irrigated by aquaponic system water. We use that to water our plants, and also we have applied a biochar in our farm to increase the fertility of our soil. During my bachelor study, I have done research on biochar, and we have seen the positive effect of biochar. With that, I have introduced it in our own farm, and we have been using it from then on, keeping using that in our farm. In the beginning, we started cultivating in the open field, but by time we started in greenhouses, and now we only cultivate in greenhouses because we have observed the effect of open field and in protected agriculture. In organic farming, the work is more, you have to be more careful, you have to have more better management for weed management. The environment has to be clean because you don't want to attract the pests and diseases compared to the conventional way of agriculture.